Hi, my name is John Gibson. I'm with All American Roofing, and today we're going to talk about roof shingle installation using the racking method to ensure correct vertical alignment of your roof shingles. And we'll also discuss major important aspects of doing this technique and what to do correctly and what to avoid. So please stay tuned for more information. So when racking roof shingle, there's several key features that have to be properly followed to ensure correct install of the roof shingles. The reason that we rack shingles is it ensures that the vertical alignments of the shingles are correct, and it also helps with larger crews when there's maybe 2 or 3 people installing shingles at the same time. It enables like a highly productive roofing crew to maintain straight work, and for aesthetic purposes that's really key. So that's one of the primary reasons that we do it. There is some drawbacks to it, and you have to be very careful with installing these shingles correctly, and these should be highly regarded as important steps to follow. One of them is the reasons that some people don't recommend racking is that you can actually miss a couple of nails. It's very easy to miss a nail on the roof, and that will interfere with the wind warranty on the roof due to we tuck a shingle up underneath another shingle, and during this process some people might miss that nail on the left or the right hand side. The other aspect that is really key is to always watch out in cold weather that you're going to have to lift up the shingle and tuck it up underneath one when you're racking it from left to right. That when you do lift that shingle up, you have to be very gentle, especially when the shingles are a little bit stiff in the colder months of the year, that you don't crack it and you don't lift it too much that it pulls the nail or rips the shingle. Now if you can always maintain these two things, always maintain proper guidance to your crew to follow always for nailing all shingles and not to lift that tab up too high, then you will be ensured a high quality install, and it will be aesthetically very pleasing to the customer because it will be a vertically alignment will be very straight. And which is do that with 3-tab. We only do it with 3-tab shingles, and it's the only shingles you do it with the Timberline shingles is absolutely will void the warranty if you do that. It's not the correct install technique, and it'll in fact take a lot longer.
So it's only for the 3-tab? It's
only for 3-tabs. But there are some other Slate Line, I believe, or some other brands of shingles that you can, and they recommend you doing the racking system. And when I was younger, when I was in my early 20s, that was how you're taught. Everyone racked. Everyone still racks in North America. No one really does what's called a pyramid because it's very hard to do your tie-ins correctly and stuff like that.